Section 2.4, example 5, multiplying a complex number by a complex number. Ooh, this is fun. So for the meantime, we're going to treat I as if it were a variable. So if this were a variable, what we would have to do is multiply, 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 multiply. So we're letting everyone say hi to everyone else. And for the first step, we're just going to leave I as a variable. Then we'll talk about it in the next step. So starting off with 4 times 2, that's 8. 4 times negative 5i, negative 20i. And now for 3i to multiply to everything. 3i times 2, 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6i. And we have 3i times negative 5i. So negative 15. And then I squared because we multiplied I times I. All right, so now remember that I is equal to the square root of negative 1. So if we square both sides, we end up with I squared is equal to negative 1. So here in this part, I squared is going to be equal to a negative 1. So let's throw that in there. Minus 15 times that negative 1. Because we just proved that I squared is negative 1. All right, so there's a couple things we could do. Let's combine like terms here. Minus 14i. Let's multiply these two together. Negative 15 times negative 1 is going to be a positive 15. And lastly, I see that we have reals that we could combine. So that would be 23 minus 14i. This is an a plus bi form. So there we go. That's our solution. Remember the square root of, I squared is going to be negative 1. So as long as we remember that, the rest of it should kind of fall into place. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.